Hi guys, welcome to the PageFly video tutorial series. In today's video, you'll learn how to customize the paragraph element on PageFly. The paragraph element is one of the fundamental elements of PageFly. It presents any text content on your page and can be used to display product descriptions, about me sections, shipping policies, and much more. It's also possible to set up a click action on a paragraph element so that it directs customers to another link, calls a number, or sends an email. Okay, so firstly I'm going to show you how to use a paragraph element on your PageFly page. So we're going to come up to the Add Elements section here on the PageFly editor, and under the basic heading here we'll click on Paragraph. Now here you'll see two options for paragraphs, one without a drop cap and one with a drop cap. I'm going to choose the one without a drop cap and drag and drop it here under my title. Okay, and to change anything about the paragraph, I simply click on the paragraph and come to its General tab here. Now my first option is to change the paragraph text, which I can do in here. And just below that I get to choose whether to show or hide the drop cap. Okay, so next to the Styling tab, the first thing we have is Style Presets. So here we have four options to do with the text alignment. And below that we have Content Color to change the color of the words. And then we have options for padding and margin, which is to do with spacing. Below that is typography, where we can change the font family, the font size, the text alignment, the text style. And then below that we have more settings where we can choose the font weight, the line height, the letter spacing, and the text transform here. Okay, so below that we have options to change the background, which can be the background color, or to set a background image. And finally we have an option to change the border. Here you can change the border styles between solid, dotted, dashed, and none. You can also edit specific words in the paragraph by coming up to the paragraph here and simply highlighting the words. You'll notice here that we get another pop-up box that lets us change the text color. We can change the background color, and here we have superscript, which raises the text up, and subscript, which lowers it down. We also have an option for bold, italic, underline, and here we can insert a link on the word selected. So if we click on insert link, and I'm just gonna paste my link in here and then click update. But it's also possible to link to an email the same way. So I'm just going to select some other text, click on insert link, and then here you can write mail to and then a colon, and then any email address that you want it to link to, and then I'll update. And I'll show you how those work on the live view. So we can publish, click on the live view, and scrolling down here, we click on this link, it will open up a YouTube channel, and if we click on this link it will open up the mail. So bear in mind that these links can only open in the same tab. Okay, so lastly I just want to show you another element that combines with the paragraphs on PageFly. So we're going to come to Add section here, and we're going to choose this testimonial here. You have 4 testimonials to choose from. Drag and drop in here. And you can see here that each of these 3 have paragraph elements. So in a testimonial, the paragraph element will present a customer's feedback about your product. You can change any of these paragraphs the exact same way I've just shown you. Okay, so that's the end of the tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful future content. Don't forget to leave us any questions in the comment section below, or reach us via our 24/7 in-app live chat for further assistance. To learn more about PageFly, check out our other video tutorials and visit our help center. Thanks for watching. See you next time.